Hey doing? This is the quickest version I can give you guys. I'm going to go ahead and be clicking, but visually be giving you what you need. Alright, again, go into landscape. Our number is 24 by 12. There is a more in-depth video that will demonstrate all the ins and outs. But again, this one is a quicker version if you just want a quick refresher. These construction lines, again, only come down as a single X or a single Y. When you're up in the corner up here, you get the X and the Y put together. That's why it's the crosshairs. And you're going to be setting this up. This template should not take very long. It's relatively quick. Most of the time you get them, especially at this depth, if you don't use your roller ball, they snap to the lines pretty well. Oops, I misplaced that one. Alright, once we got it to this point, here's our normal setup. We're going to go ahead and import an image. Yeah, we're going to do it. I saw a Chaska hawk. Let's use that one. So again, there's our Chaska hawk. We're looking to put this on a coaster and fit it inside of something. You may want to make it a little smaller, maybe a little bit bigger, whatever the case is. But that's one way to center it. The other way is to go 2 inches by 2 inches by 2 inches, and that will provide you your center. If you click on it, you can see that little X right there. It was close. We can just shimmy that right over there. Bounce it once or twice. We're in pretty good shape. Alright, so now once we go ahead and back out, click off of that, we're in good shape. Item that I'd like you to take a look at right here. If we click on this, this toolbar here changes. If we click off of the logo, it changes back to the 24 by 12. So we're going to go ahead and click on it. And go to bitmap, mode, grayscale. Because of the colors of the rainbow, they have a certain designation when it comes to gray. This is our grayscale. This is what the laser sees. And if you want an explanation behind it, it is the darker the color, the more on time the laser has. The lighter the color, the less on time the laser has. The laser is only on and off. So when the laser does not function, or it's not running, it'll actually give you the white. When the laser is running 100%, it'll give you the black. Last time I wanted to show you is the C and the H. Again, logos that are properly assigned. If you take a look at Hawk and you see it this way, it's the H and then the C, but they're flip-flop. This is obviously not the way the Chaska hawk is designed. It's designed to go that way. So you'll be responsible for putting in 2 logos. Now it might be 2 of those Chaska hawks, and let's say you want 1 Aaron Rodgers. I don't know. So we're going to go ahead and put an Aaron Rodgers in. Set him up and be in good shape. Your text function is right here. You say Go Hawks. And if that's what you want, that's what you want. But you got to make sure that you center all that stuff up. If this is the case, we're in good shape. We got Aaron Rodgers, we got the hawk, we're all set up. Now the next thing is to save. Go to this PC. You guys would be finding the K drive, class MS. Click on that. Find my name way at the bottom. Just scroll all the way down. Trimester 1 and wherever you're at. Go ahead and hit save. You're good to go.